Check it out, guys, the Lmrc Lm19. It's some kind of fighter, copter, doodad, you know, we don't know, right? So we're gonna try to fly it around here for a little bit without doing any app and that kind of stuff, you know, just to fly it around to see how that works out without getting any Wi-Fi interference going. And then we'll turn the app on, and there was the level calibration down and to the right. Okay, so it only has 2 speeds. It's pretty fast, though. In the 2 speeds that you got, it's pretty fast, right? It's a pretty cool little, it's not very responsive other than spinning around. See, there's a little bit of wind at my back, but it's really kind of insignificant, to be honest. Okay, so it did a flip crash combination. So that was a flip, and then it decided to, well, I hit the button for it to flip, but then it waited till it got lower to the ground and then decided to flip. It's got these wheels on here, by the way, to make it look like it's a professional helicopter. Yeah, it spins real fast, but it doesn't fly that fast. You know what I mean? The altitude hold on it is very... Look at it, I got a full stick forward and it's not even moving. But it'll go that way, so I would say the calibration is probably out of whack. Okay, well, I caught it. Let me recalibrate the level calibration again. Let me try to get it as level as possible. Okay. I'm gonna check the lights out myself. Yeah, it just wants to keep diving to the ground all the time. So I would say this is pretty much a kind of a crapper. It's probably just the design. They probably just came up with this cockamamie design to get people to entice people into buying it, but it really is very unresponsive as far as flying. So basically it's not even worth checking out the camera because it's a piece of junk anyway. It's very lame. Yeah, I'm not even wasting my time with this thing. Alright guys, so there you go. The Lmrc LM something or another. Who cares, right? It's a piece of junk. So that's the way it goes, right guys? You win some, you lose some. I had the Tang Mini with me, but I forgot the dang battery. Oh well, this will go into the give it away pile. It is what it is. Get all the sand off of it, get it cleaned up. It just doesn't fly good. It's just a crapper. All right, guys, have a nice day, man. I'll talk to you later.